Okay, today we're looking at managing the car, getting it stopped and getting going again when we happen to be on steep hills. First couple of sessions we looked at all this on flat level ground. Today we're going to look at this when we're on a steep hill. Now I can check, yep, we're making sure the road's empty behind us because we're just going to look at a couple of different situations. We're going to continue up the hill. And a bit further up, we're actually going to stop, imagining someone like this fellow has actually just backed straight out in the road in front of us, and we have to stop for some reason. And we're going to stop just here, which is fine. We've come to a stop, and that's all really nice. I'm holding here with the foot on the foot brake, great. But how are we going to get going that way while I take my foot off the foot brake? Like, we've got to go that way, but the car wants to roll that way. How are we going to do that? We're going to put the handbrake on. So now we've got the handbrake on and the car is staying here. I can even take my foot off the foot brake if I want to, and the car is going to stay here. But now we need to go that way. How are we going to do that? We're going to apply some power. We're going to apply a little bit of accelerator to get the car to move forward, or try to move forward. It moves forward, it's feeling it's trying to pull. I can feel it trying to pull, the car's moved a little bit. So now to keep going, I'm just going to release the handbrake and we're going to move gently and slowly off up the hill. So we'll just do that again. Let's imagine we're following up behind a group of traffic which are all coming up to the intersection and they're all stopping one at a time, and we have to stop again. So we're going to stop using the foot brake, hold the car in place. We can put the handbrake on. We can even hold the button in. Power again. Release the handbrake, and we're moving forward. And then eventually it's going to be our turn when we come to the top. So when we come to the top, coming to the intersection, we're going to signal that we're going to turn left. We're starting to look left and right because we're looking to find the place where we can see. And let's stop for an imaginary car we've got to wait for. Handbrake is on. Wait for that car to go through, power up, release the handbrake, and go. And there we have what we call a stop and go using the handbrake.